Oh, yeah. Like, what's the truck? No, I know, but I didn't know that was a car.
It's crazy.
So who's charged somebody? The neighbors. The other of them. One said that they the other. It does. Sometimes they don't have a chance.
But Rick, I do believe her.
Thank you.
I do believe her.
Thank you. Get through it.
Good morning.
Morning. Thank you. Oh, please do. I'll come about. You're welcome.
None of the second row for 8 people.
On its own. What? Oh, how do you? No problem. Okay.
All right, everyone, I'm going to call the docket. When I call the docket, you need to stand and let me know you're here. If you do not answer the docket, I'm assuming that you're not here and a warrant may be issued for your arrest. Patrick Cuellar, Ethan Gonzalez, custody. Fatima Malara, Jasmine Versina, custody. Israel Gonzalez Jr. Israel Gonzalez Jr. Maria Martinez, custody. Laura Cruz.
She's present here. She's probably sitting on.
Oh, there she is. Thank you. Israel Gonzalez Jr. Logan McBride. Mark Anthony Guerrero. Mark Anthony Guerrero. Eddie Dacey.
Here you are.
Thank you. Eddie Bustillo.
Here you go.
Kevin Walker, custody. Adam Cruz, custody. Ruth Lopez. Maria Ruiz, custody. Christopher Ray Gonzalez.
Here.
Bryce Rule, morning. Bryce Bentley Rule. Alfred Andrade.
Right here, Council Judge.
Thank you. Ricardo A Domez. Ricardo A Domez Jr. Bishop Hasso.
Here.
Lucio Soto.
Here.
Nija Turner.
Present.
David Lopez Gonzalez. Salvador Gonzalez. Daryl Fauntleroy. Maria Ruiz. Stephen Wellbacher. Custody. Esteban, oh, that's 130.
I think you have 2 page ones.
Thank you.
Yep, I'm looking for.
I was like, I think I've called those names before. All right. Is there anyone who's present and your name has not been called? What's your name?
David Martinez.
Council's present as well.
All right. We will look you up. Is he on the docket? Did I skip over him?
How does it PTP status on? I don't know.
All right. Do you have a case number?
I do this.
What is it?
2025 CR 000172.
All right.
Martinez.
All right. Thank you. All right, everyone. You all know the rules. You're not ready to approach until you confer with the state and confer with your client. If your client is in custody, they'll need to be brought out. If your client wishes to speak to the court in a language other than English, we'll need an interpreter. Once you approach the clerk or the coordinator, just tell them the reason for your approach so that they can have appropriate paperwork ready for me because we're going paperless. We have probation here. If you think your client is having probation or it's a probation matter, you need to confer with them. All right. Happy Friday Eve. Happy Women's Month. All right. Today, the woman we're choosing, I should say I'm choosing, Octavia Butler. Not the actress, because I think people are like, oh, Octavia.
I know that.
Yeah. But I chose her because it's something I love to do.
Okay. But then
Yeah.
Asia Skyler. David Lopez Gonzalez. Bishop Pascal. Ricardo Junior Andrade.
Where's the desk?
Alfred Andrade.
Yeah, I was already on.
Lucio Soto. Where did you want the house? Right, then please.
Of course, I'm good.
Christopher Ray Gonzalez.
Of course.
Maria Anita.
I did yesterday. Yes, Steve. Right. That's a full. Yeah. I mean, I have to see it. I have to see it first, to be honest with you. But I definitely. Yes. Okay, good. Yes, I'm ready for her. I mean, I drove my Tundra for 10 years. I'll drive this for another 10, you know, just built class on cars.
Yes.
So my kids already want to take it over. My dad, I want that car. No. No. We'll see. Harper's getting her mother's car for sure. It's a 4Runner.
Oh.
Yeah. Safe car, reliable car. Let's see on that. For now, the answers. No, I'm gonna sell it. Anyone that wants to buy it, it's a 2015 limited. It's really nice. Has a 140,000. Yeah, I'm gonna clean it up and listen. Oh yeah, it's a time for somebody will want that truck. Without a doubt. They don't make P8s anymore. I didn't know that the time for these things. So. Yeah. I don't need the recall. I don't even have room for them in the house. It would be ideal if I. People just borrow my truck to haul. I know, there's that.
Yeah. All that stuff. Yeah.
Anyone ready?
Yes, Judge, page one, first one, that's a prayer.
Patrick Cuellar?
Oh, yeah.
Hello. Just waiting for Odyssey to kick in. All right, today is plea deadline day.
So I feel like you probably remember the procedural history of this case. He now has entered into a plea on a federal charge. He will be sentenced to a term of imprisonment on June 8th. The state intends to dismiss this case. And we've kind of just been waiting for this moment. So what I'm asking for is the court to set it on the 9th of June. He will, and the state will be dismissing, is my understanding. And he'll be in custody at that time, Judge.
Okay. See here. All right, Norma, if you recall this for June 9th. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Once he signs the reset form, he's excused. All right, anyone else ready?
Yes, Judge, on page four, first one, Christopher Gonzalez.
All right, Christopher Gonzalez. All right, so in this case, where are we on discovery?
Believe I have discovery, Judge. I admittedly haven't fine-toothed that issue yet. Where we kind of are conferring wise is he has 2 misdemeanor charges that have yet to be filed. My understanding is they're requesting that one of the cases get filed, which will allow for a disposition of all cases. In other words, we're gonna try to work something out over there in exchange for this case being TIC or dismissed.
All right, and when is that going to be done?
That's, well, me, that they had some refresh by, but for this, if you talk to myself, they don't. Hold up this way,
Y'all want to recall it in 3 weeks?
I'm okay with that.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 3-week reset. for disposition?
April 2nd.
All right, we'll be back on April 2nd.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Who else is next?
That's all I have for now.
Yes, the one that he's got the different one out. I'm trying to find. Is it? I spoke to, that's. All the reason I said. The girl from all the. Hopefully, it was that. I figured. I'm just telling you for your purposes. Thank you. Yeah. I felt like a shit. I will work on the work right now. Good morning.
Bishop Chasel. On the docket today, we have a disposition. I'm just gonna do the paperwork. Just gonna check in on the. Thank you.
Oh, you got in before me. You didn't even confirm he signed it. What is that about? When we fill out the RS or the plea, I don't know what's gonna happen. Leave it up to the judge, right? Isn't that the judge's call?
What's?
Want to put in your hopes.
That's
Want to put in your hopes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Judge, you ready for the next one?
Yes, I am.
Page 4, third one down, Alfred Andrade.
Alfred Andrade. Hi, come forward. Hi. Love when people say hello. All right. Let's see. All right, counsel, where are we on discovery?
We have everything, Judge. They've made me an offer. Both of us need to do a little bit more investigation. We're gonna get all this.
Okay. All right. Is 30 days enough time?
It is.
All right, Norma, I need a plea deadline date, 30 days.
April 13th.
April 13th. That's fine. All right, once you sign the reset form, you excuse. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're excused.
You're there.
All right, thank you. You too. Anyone else?
That's all we have.
Okay. Lauren, what world are we living in when I am invested in the lives of fruit?
I used to
Yeah.
watching the cucumber strawberry.
Yeah, I don't know where that's gonna go.
Gosh.
Between that and I will tell you, maybe it's for the best, but they're doing now food where mom pasta is holding on to her children. They've been thrown in boiling water. She's like, it's gonna be okay. And I'm like, I can't even eat pasta now. And then the grandmother comes down from heaven. It's gonna be okay. Oh, Deputy Laura, I just sent you something.
Yes.
Next one. It's a bundle of pens.
You what?
Next one, you over the bundle.
I can't. I can't. Did I steal a pen?
No,
Just, are you
no
on?
mistake, so it's your text.
Okay. CLIC, click. They're all awesome. Right. 11:25. Are they read your town? 011. They're great. 11. They're not cheap, like 40 bucks. But I don't lose them. I don't lose them anymore. That's the key. I would lose my. reading.
Yes.
Just have a dismissal for the court.
Thanks.
Thank you, Judge. Hi, Chris.
Here you are, Johnny.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
There we go.
It would be excused, Judge?
Yes.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Yes, ma'am, you too.
Oh, and yeah, if you can make sure that GPS is removed.
Yes.
Over here, or does she have to go over there?
To go over there is my understanding. I'm not. I need to be snicker.
So I'm gonna send her over there and they'll have the order.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Bye. Are you still entering on that dismissal, Judge?
Yes. Just give me a moment.
There's some issues with the switch to the new discovery system. Stop.
What I feel.
It's 20.
Appreciate it.
Did you see, Judge, that we already had a juror here at like 9 o'clock?
Oh, well, that's a good sign.
You saw that? You saw that? You wanted parking.
You
Yeah.
know what, one of the civil judges said to us, and it was Judge No, he told the jurors, if you're here, I'm gonna say he either said 7 or 7:30 AM, I can guarantee your parking spot. So what would you like? And I think they chose either 7 AM or 7:30. And then he would charge you if you were late as an attorney. And it worked out great.
I've not seen it. I think probably-
I don't know what that is.
Let's see.
Second row.
So,
Good morning. Good morning.
depends if the dollar store that we're on. Really? You know what, I'm gonna do this. Look, for office, I have a whole host of really nice writing pens that I bought on my on eBay. They're super. No. Those are.
Anyone else ready?
I'm ready, Judge. I'm just filling out the.
Oh, okay.
Oh, really? So they come from China. They write really fast. Huh. I'd have to go back.
Okay, good. Whenever you're ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, page one at the bottom, Jasmine Versina.
Jasmine Versinia.
There you go. 2,000.
All righty. So today is plea deadline date?
I am asking for additional time
Okay,
for that. The main reason is she has an unindicted felony that is being handled by family violence that one, she has a different lawyer on, and two, I'm still awaiting some discovery on, and also for them to kind of formulate whether that case is going to be factored into the negotiation. It may not come to life.
Mhm.
And so I think the state are still kind of waiting to see if and it will affect plea negotiations. So, I'm not in a position right now where I can properly advise her because I just don't have all the information or the discovery on that unindicted case that will impact her plea decision. So,
all right, who's the attorney on the unindicted case?
it would be one of the family violence. I was chatting with Ms. Jones.
No, I mean the
I'm sorry.
defense attorney.
Oh, it's Alfonso Cabañas, who I have been in contact with. He represents her on that. I don't have any discovery on it. And I told them to get me some, and then I told them to talk so I can get a bona fide global offer.
Just 1 second.
Sure.
case. And then make Toshi second chair on the family violence case.
Yay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I've done your court date.
Oh, and Deputy Laura, I don't know if Alfonso wants to talk to her or not. He said he's on his way up. Can y'all hold her?
I did.
All right, thank you.
I'm running over Bryce rule.
All right, who's next?
The same name, just 1 second.
He didn't trust.
Okay, that's, it's gonna be on page 4. Second one. For Bryce Rule.
Bryce Rule.
He's not out there, Judge.
Ah, okay.
He's not here at
I
all.
checked the 3 call services yesterday and they had not heard from him either, so.
Okay, let me call this case.
Right, event.
Thank you. All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 000208 State versus Bryce Rule. Can I have parties announced for the record?
State.
Eddie Garcia from Mr. Rule.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 9:46 a.m. The defendant did not answer docket. Deputy Laura, did you make an announcement?
Yes, Your Honor, I did. He is not out there.
Defense, any contact?
None whatsoever, Your Honor.
State?
Maybe requesting a bond forfeiture and issues with that court, you know.
All right, the court will issue a judge's warrant, remand your client without bond. Thank you. Who's next?
Bruce Lopez, answer this one.
I'm sorry.
Bruce Lopez, his family.
Lopez, you?
Israel Gonzalez. Mark Anthony Guerrero. Thank you. Ricardo A Domez. David Lopez Gonzalez. Thank you. All right.
Page 30 for the next one.
Yes.
Page 2, second from the bottom, Logan McGrath.
Logan McBride.
He was the third. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. How's it going?
Good, good. I apologize for not having a tie properly this morning.
Oh, hey, it happens. All right. So, why are you all here? Because I show that a plea deadline date is scheduled for March 16th.
That's what I.
Yeah, I don't know why this is on the docket. All right.
So we can come back on the 16th?
Yes.
Or I mean, we're not gonna take the plea bargain.
Oh, okay. Then how long do y'all expect this jury trial to last?
Discharge or closed.
All right, Norma, I need a jury trial date, 4 days.
Judge, we'll give you a couple of days back.
All right, thank you. So you say May 19th?
Yes.
All right, your jury trial date will be May 19th. Once you sign the reset form, you are excused. And I received the acknowledgement of discovery.
We've done that before.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes.
Next. Somehow. He do.
Is there anything else before that? What is the off docket matter about? If it's a bond and the person is not here, it won't happen.
We were just there a month ago. And while we were there, that's my first fault. There's the blast.
He works there?
He was there signing.
What book is that?
Um. It was cool.
And Norma, here's this, if you let them know their client isn't here.
Alcatraz number 12. That's his mugshot from Alcatraz. We fix He's telling us all parties have died. I'm in charge. I'm like, no, so the inmates have died too. Like before here, it was cool. I thought they were kind of high.
I didn't. I don't know.
Oh, Kindle, yeah, that would be one. Yeah, he went there for, he kept escaping other prisons. So when he was 23 years old, they put him out there. And while he was there, he perfected his counterfeit. Counterfeit skills better.
All right, so have they conferred with the state?
Yeah, he's not opposed to.
Yes, John.
All right, so the DA needs to sign it, the ADA.
I'll sign, I guess.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Take that out.
Yes. I'm here on Ruth Lopez.
All right, if you'll give that to the clerk so they can put it in the system.
Thank you.
And counsel, if he's on, if he's supervised through pretrial services, just make sure you email or fax that to them, just so they'll have it and your client will have it. All right, thank you. Welcome.
Thank you. Yeah, I'll get it. We all hope there's. There's some. All right. Well. It's for.
All right, Ruth Lopez,
Morning, Judge.
good morning.
I was just recently appointed to this case. I was assigned to her misdemeanor, but it seems like the felony attorney bowed out in some way. So I was just hoping to get a quick reset for me to take a look at the case a little more in depth before.
All right, and it's because the system appointed an attorney who was not on the will,
Oh, okay.
so that's why. All right. You all will need to confer off docket. Norma, set this for a plea deadline date in 30 days.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
April 13th.
All right, April 13th.
April 13th.
Norma, you need to make sure he has the reset form.
Please, sir, Mr. Arnett. No.
No, that's Cross.
Reset form. Which I'm working on, please, real quick.
All right.
Bring back the bread. Okay, let's go.
So good. That's right. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, you got some. Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right, John. Okay, all right, thanks. Good day, Judge.
You too. All right, this is an application for deferred adjudication. Bishop Hasso. All righty.
It's on page 4, Joe.
Just may approach again, this is the dismissal as part of the plans.
Oh. You have to take this to County Court 13.
Oh, that's right. Sorry.
That's okay.
That's what, okay,
Alrighty.
okay, appreciate it. Thanks.
Oh, but I tell you what, let me get that cause number though, and I'll just put it in the system.
Yes, Your Honor, 2026 CC 000 211.
Just so they'll know
Yes,
that
Your
it's
Honor.
taken in consideration, but that judge will have to sign it.
Right.
Thank you. All right, anyone else ready?
Page, 5, first one.
Nigel Turner.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. So where are we on discovery?
We're at this point, we are missing a phone extraction. I just now requested that from the detective, and we do need to be about it on our the ones have presented us. The state would respectfully request 6 days just to get the phone extraction, get it over to defense.
I don't know. You know what I don't understand? I don't understand why people indict cases and they don't have phone extractions. They don't have medical, they don't have records. I just wonder about that. When I was in the DA's office and I had to do my own intake, no case was indicted until I had all the discovery. All right, Norma, 45 days for discovery. Mhm.
Judge, there also may be some DNA evidence they need to obtain as well, just so the court's aware of that. But we
Mhm.
can work on that in the 45 days too.
And it was indicted for. Okay.
I'm sure they have the DNA, Judge. I just don't have it through the discovery, which now the system's changed as well, but through Axion, but
All right, once you sign the reset form, you excuse. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you for your time.
All right, thank you. Thanks. All right, who's next?
Finding them, Judge, and I'm also looking on the proof.
Okay.
It's just.
Yeah, so we're just sad something for Mark Ferrero. I talked to him, he said he didn't get any calls after the referral, and I'm not sure if maybe he's dismissed it or happened, but he is here today.
Okay, Judge, are you ready for the next one?
Yes.
On page 4, fourth one down, Ricardo Domez.
Ricardo A Domez. All right.
Morning, Judge.
Morning. All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 0000313 State versus Ricardo A Domez. Can I have parties announced?
Warrant knows 60.
Andrew Priest for the defense.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 10:15 a.m. The defendant did not answer docket. Deputy, did you make an announcement?
Yes, Your Honor, I did. He is not out there.
Defense, have you had any contact?
I have not, Judge.
All right, state.
We'll be requesting a bond forfeiture, Your Honor.
All right, the court will issue a judge's warrant, remand your client without bond.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes.
You too.
Okay. But the referral's all good, right? Like, we don't need to do any referral. Okay. Okay.
All right, thank you. All right, probation, there's no application. Court is calling 2026 CR 001908, State versus Salvador Gonzalez. Okay.
What you want to go to the next one for now?
Yes.
On page 2 at the bottom, Mark Guerrero.
Mark Guerrero.
Do you want him to come up, Jeff?
Yes. All right, so what happened with the referral?
I'm not sure, Judge. We did the referral here in court, but it seems like maybe they got a new case manager and something slipped through the cracks.
Okay.
I did ask my client if he received any calls or maybe if he missed one that he didn't call back. He said he wasn't aware of anyone trying to reach out to him. So we're gonna maybe do a new referral now, make sure it gets to
Yes.
the new case manager and
Okay.
go from there.
All right. Let me just see, just one second. Computer is so slow today.
No worries, Judge.
Let's see. It will pull up now. Just have a seat. Give me a moment. I'm going to see if I can contact the mental health court if you have no objections to see where he is in the system and if perhaps they can expedite it because he was already referred.
Yeah, that would be great for us, Judge. Thank
All
you very
right,
much.
so just give me a moment.
Okay, may I go check in with another court, or is this gonna be like a 5-minute kind of thing?
I don't know. You can go
Okay,
check
I'll go
in with
check
another
in, and I'll
court
be
because I
back.
don't know how long it's going to be.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Are you okay? This cough forever. Oh, well, we need to make sure that's taken care of. Anyone else ready?
Wait a minute, let me put it please.
Okay. Lord, phone charger over there.
Yes, I do.
I need to charge my power pack.
Okay, that's awesome. Can you go? I just need to try to.
Hello.
You have a winsome look on your face, Your Honor.
Oh, I am actually, could I have that printout? Of course, I'm always doing extra things, so I've been asked to write this letter to probation concerning different programs, so that's what I've been working on.
I just had a call a couple days ago, and I'm trying to find out the name of it. Apparently,
What happened to your eye?
what do you see?
You gotta,
I have no idea,
well, see,
because I didn't know until you said something.
you didn't see that?
I'll be back.
Yeah, you need to go take care of that. Look at me saving lives. Let's add that to my thing that I do. All right, yeah, I will be right back.
Yeah, bonus system. It's twice.
I just want to make sure this one. I'm trying to cover it.
Morning.
And then you're ready.
Oh, okay. We are ready.
On page 5, second one is for David Gonzalez. It was a no-show.
All right, David Gonzalez. Hello. All right, so court starts at 9. You need to make sure you're on time, you understand? All right, so where are we on discovery?
We have all items, Judge, except potential surveillance footage of the vehicle taking. I emailed the detective, so I can tell them. So to see if that exists.
All right, and were you able to tender an offer?
Not yet. There are also 2 unattached cases with a different attorney, so I'm still going through that to give a global, hopefully in the next.
All right, Norma, for those other cases, can you make sure that that other attorney is here as well on this date? So if you'll set the PF cases on this same date, how much time are you all requesting?
2 weeks is fine.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 2-week reset.
March 26th.
All right, we'll be back on March 26th, and the PF cases will be set at the same time, so that attorney will be here as well. Make sure you're here at 9.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Good.
You're welcome. Anyone else ready?
No, just still waiting on Mr. Lopez to come back for the push.
Okay.
I just had about 4 conversations between 3rd floor and here, looking people eye to eye, and nobody else knows. So.
You know what I say? That is like, the person who has the bathroom tissue in their pants and they're walking around or have spinach in their teeth and nobody says anything.
I will just refer to it was also all with XY chromosomes, so it's a guy thing. But it appears to be an ingrown hair, eyelid cyst, which according to AI should be removed by an ophthalmologist.
All right,
So
yeah,
I
you need
go
to get that
schedule- I
done.
need to go schedule an appointment.
Yeah, because you don't want to get an infection.
Yes, given I'm already blind as a bat, I don't want that to degrade anything.
And look at me saving, yeah, I'm over here saving lives
Judge, I
before noon.
Call for ribs.
Daryl, do I need to call my sister about this?
Well, I just sent her.
Give me some tweezers. Get her out.
That might be an inclination.
All right, that only needs to happen during the zombie apocalypse. I mean, we're not at that stage yet.
The actually, the eyeball, and that occurs.
I mean, it depends on the age of the eyeball. And is there some salt and pepper? I don't know.
Why you gotta go there? Why you gotta go there, Dad?
Hey, but I will text Deb, just so you know.
Good day to me. 187.
See, the reason why you stopped by is so I could save your life. See, Deputy Lord, that's what I'm talking about. People won't tell you things.
Oh, I'll tell you, Judge.
Yeah, thank you. If there's spinach in my teeth, let me
Listen,
know.
I will. If I notice something, I will make sure.
I do too.
I'll be around. You should be good to go on that. I'll come back.
Okay.
18. Thank you so much. Just want to let you know. All right, please.
Did not talk to him at all. You'll be asked to step up. Ma'am, your phone down.
And how old is she? All righty. And how old is the person with you? Why are they not in school?
My daughter was pre-grade.
You know what? Tell her, Deputy Laura.
like, I want to be in person, at the jail. So I was like trying to avoid one today with the interpreter, but.
Then he'll see it though. Yeah.
I'd say so. What's going on? Noticed it was some of this not hard. Not quite yet.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll figure out what's going on. Yeah, self jab. Like Alex hostage.
Oh, Megan, can I see you for a moment?
Yeah. Thank you.
Uh, okay. I'll think as well. It's the Mac. I speak to the Mac because I can try and set the Zoom. Then, so I'll try and do it that way. I was just trying to see what would be faster. Okay, yeah, so it'd be like I'd say like next Thursday. Exactly.
Good morning, Judge. May I approach?
Oh, yes.
I have Daryl Fauntleroy on your docket this morning. He is he's deaf, Judge. He communicates via ASL. There have been attempts by me to try and get an interpreter. I've actually never been able to speak with him. It's a recent arrest and an appointment for us. So speaking to the coordinator, and they can get an interpreter here next week.
Okay.
Like this is like more unique. It's not Spanish, right? So they
See,
have to.
this makes me remember my friend Deborah Parker. She was an interpreter.
Okay, for ASL.
Mhm.
Is she available, Judge?
No, she passed.
Oh.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, Judge. I didn't-
yeah. All righty. So we will recall this. Norma, let's recall it in 3 weeks. Can you let him know? Just so we'll make sure that we actually have an interpreter.
Okay. And what I'll also do, Judge, is I was talking with the MAC and they can set me up where I can get somebody on Zoom, which is not ideal, but I think it's,
Okay, so here's my question. You're telling me at the jail, they don't have where they can communicate by phone?
So apparently they do, because he's been calling our office that way.
Okay,
What he's requested, at least my understanding, is he wants somebody in person, what I understand.
yes.
But I guess the limited resources we have, like the MAC is telling me that what they can do is Zoom, and then otherwise it'd be here in court in
Sure,
person.
they have a professor at UTSA or some school here that, teaches sign language.
Right.
Norma, so are we sure we will have someone?
Yes, I can contact anybody.
All right, so let's recall it in 3 weeks.
April 2nd.
All right, we'll be back.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
You're gonna grab.
No. Do you need him?
Let me talk to him. I'm gonna try and
You're gonna try to.
I'm gonna quickly on a notepad, I guess.
Yeah.
Hopefully he reads
Just let him verify on.
next, baby.
Did can we send her back? Let us not hear.
I'm sorry, who?
Speak that she wants to ask about.
Wait, yes.
Did Briseño? So here. She said, there's an idea. Oh. But I want these two.
All right. I have a response for you, counsel. Counsel, I have a response. Just a moment.
Would you like me to call my client up, Judge?
Sure.
Okay, Mark.
All right, so they're willing to screen him as soon as Monday.
Okay.
So, Norma,
Yes, sir.
I need to send another referral to mental health court.
Okay.
And just a moment. All right, court is calling 2026 CR 001908 State versus Salvador Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced?
Ray Lopez for the defense.
And are you Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Gonzalez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Mr. Gonzalez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? You need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Gonzalez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? No. Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 38 days in the Bexar County Jail on a 1244. There's an $800 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
It is, Your Honor.
State? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Proceed after states exhibit 1 and alter.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, I did.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We would just ask the court to follow the plea bargain agreement.
Right. Who is Miss Dennis to you?
What?
Dennis.
It's Dennis. Person who's in the car, something.
In the car?
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Okay. All right, this court is going to do, the court will find you guilty, sentence you to 38 days in the Bexar County in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There is an $800 fine. Time and money will run concurrent, and there's to be no contact with Dorothy Dennis. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we can go off the record. You're gonna have to start making better choices. If you have a drug issue, there are plenty of places that can help you when you're released from the Bear County Jail. If you can't find a place, come back here and I'll help you. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do we get this one in? The rejection one?
Use the clerk, pink is ours, yours is yellow.
Okay.
Okay, who do we have?
On page 3, first one, Ed Daisy.
Eddie Daisy. Hello,
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
So what is happening with this case?
We're still awaiting discovery. I'll let the state off. We're still awaiting discovery on the PF case.
Okay,
It would have been probably best if they'd indicted everything together.
mhm.
But since they didn't, we have one case that's indicted and the unindicted case, but a lot of the discovery that is still missing is body worn cameras, ballistics, some of those things.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 45-day reset. Is that good?
Yes, that's fine.
You sure?
No, let me double check. Yes, that day's fine.
All right, thank you. Mr. Daisy, I like your shirt. All right.
She likes your shirt.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, it looks great. All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. All right, thank you.
Ready? We're gonna get your autograph. Get your autograph.
Anyone else ready?
That's all we have right now.
Yes, sir. All right, I'll meet you outside.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
All right. How are you, sir?
Yes.
Um. That's not about.
Oh, what is it about now?
And going, drop the deliberation, the relationship of constellation.
Yeah. Right. Mm-hmm. I'm like, okay.
Thanks for making me laugh.
I have a
Sure.
I needed it.
Hey,
plea that they're doing paperwork on.
okay,
It will be a PSI though.
okay.
Okay. No. Yeah.
And Norma, we're gonna recess at noon. Anybody who's not here, they'll be called back for Monday.
Right, he already, that I don't know what the communication is. Like he already talked to her about. Tú va viniendo todo that, but.
Oh, and. And you just do look.
Oh, it's been my whole life. Oh, so- oh, pretty-
Yours goes. Feel. You're confused. Can't help it.
Thanks, everyone. You have a good day.
Be careful. Oh, my God.
Mr. Soto?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Yeah, come over.
Yes, please. I can just have you sign here for the.
And this is for a, reset?
Correct. You have to be back on Monday.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, she did.
Ma'am, thank you so much.
Okay, well, don't have a nice day.
Beautiful,
See you
thank you.
then. You're welcome.
All right, so we'll come back at 1:30 to complete the pleas.